Okay, so this is a room tour of the Amwaj Rotana on the Jumeirah Beach, the JBR area. Got to say, really like this room. Very comfortable. So as you can see, that's just the doorway I've just come from. We're in room 1803. There's 25 floors in this hotel. There's me. So into the bathroom, the usual toilet and bidet. Don't know why the bin's up there. We just have had the cleaner in. Plenty of storage for your perfumes and makeup, etc. Shower, always a good test for me is how good a room is. The shower, very good shower, very good. Lots of pressure, nice and warm when you need it. Storage in the hallway, so you've got kind of like a double wardrobe here, which has plenty of hangers and stuff like that. An iron, which I did use. Ironing board, quite easy to set up, no issues there. Light in there as well. Shut that, switch the light off. Excuse me, safe. Very easy to set up. More storage. 1, 2, couple of drawers there. Finger. And a couple down there. We have a fridge, which is, we've been to the shop. You do get plenty of water. So enough stuff in there, as you can see. So you do get given extra water every day. So don't worry about that. It's a kettle, you get these replenished, coffees, teas, a little bit of a work surface there. Plug sockets, so UK plug sockets if you're from the UK. We got TV, we've not used a TV, we never do use the TV. And just carrying on, more storage. Seats, I know it's a bit messy, but that's what the room is. A table, go out to the balcony in a minute. So we've got a bit of an upgrade. So we've got the 2 beds plus this is a sofa bed as well. There is actually more storage just there as well, a little table, and then obviously there's loads of storage there which we've filled with clothes. Plenty of mirrors, plenty of plug sockets, no USBs, but we just bought our own kind of plug anyway, so just down there. So yeah, I'll just take you a quick look onto the balcony. And on the balcony, so you get a couple of seats. Decent sized balcony. And that's the pool area down there. And the beach, so close to the beach. So to get to the beach, you literally walk down there into that door, takes you down, and then you walk along there to the beach. So yeah, really good. So all in all, really impressed with the room. My finger again. Really impressed with the hotel. Would stay here again. 100% would stay here again. The aircon was really good as well. Just never forget the aircon. So yeah, Amwaj Rotana on JBR Beach.